Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your email, password, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Tap Sign In and pick the student profile so the app tailors features for you. This matters because course lists and schedules change by role. Once done, accept permissions for calendar and camera if you'll attend live sessions. This lets reminders and video work without interruption. Make sure your time zone is correct so class times sync properly. It prevents missed sessions. Now you locate the right class. Type keywords, then apply filters for level, subject, price, and duration so results narrow quickly. Scroll course previews to read the syllabus and check instructor ratings. That explains teaching style and expectations, which saves time. When ready, tap Enroll, choose payment method or free access, and confirm the start date. The app will add the class to your dashboard. After enrolling, sync to your calendar so deadlines and live sessions appear. Finish by attending sessions and completing modules on a schedule you can keep. Join live classes 5 to 10 minutes early so audio and video are settled. As you work, submit assignments through the class page and monitor your progress bar. This tells you what's left and why you might miss a certificate. If something breaks, like video won't load, clear the app cache, make sure the app is up to date, and contact support with screenshots. That speeds resolution and gets you back learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.